Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. To change the time on this watch, first we need to open the settings. To do it, press and hold the middle button. Once the settings open, select the general option by tapping on it, then scroll down and find the option called time/date. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have the time and date settings. As you can see, the time option is disabled. We need to turn off the auto time update via SUUNTO app, like this, and then we can tap on the time, wait until the GPS signal is found, and once it's found, we can basically change the time by swiping up and down on the screen. So select the time zone you want. My bad, I had a brain lag right there. So basically you can scroll through the list of time zones, find the time zone you want, tap on it to select it, and the time will be applied. You can also change the time format by turning on or off the 24-hour format. And once you're done changing your time, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.